Linda Williamson.
Welcome to our Waterstone Weekly Update.
We're going to start with the question of the week, and what we'd like to know is, for you, what is the most important aspect of buying a house? Is it the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom? What'll be that make or break deal for buying a house? I know we're trying to find out if the old adage holds true. Do women go for kitchens and men go for garages, or has that changed?
You're the exception to the rule, aren't you?
Yeah, no kitchen for me. Mine is my backyard.
So our major topic this week is we see a lot of things out there in advertising all over the place about interest rates. Interest rates are extremely low. They're the lowest they've ever been, honestly, on record. And what are real numbers? Realistically, the 30-year fixed is in the high threes, and the 15 years typically about a half a point lower than that. So what does that all mean to you? I can tell you this. I had a customer last week, bought his first home for $128,000. He was paying $800 a month in rent, and with his taxes and insurance, everything included, his house payment's going to be $792 a month with 5% down on that payment. So it's a fantastic time to get involved in the housing market, to take advantage of these rates, and honestly, the housing prices that are out there as well. The bang for your buck is amazing. So get out there and take advantage of it.
I think it's important too to note that I don't think people realize when they're shopping for a rate all the different factors that go into figuring out a rate, like the type of loan program, the credit score, the loan to value. So when you're comparing with your cube mate at work or your neighbor, make sure you're comparing apples to apples. You know, the same loan to value, same credit score, same loan program.
Yep.
A lot of times places will introduce or advertise their very lowest rate to make the phone ring. So it's important to keep all that in mind.
And that's why when we talk about it, we talk in generalities. We say the high threes and then the low threes on the 15-year maybe, because it's very specific to every individual. And we need to know all the details in order to compare apples to apples.
Weekly tip for you. Mortgage rates have the potential to be volatile until mid-September. So if you are shopping for a mortgage, just know that the longer you wait, the bigger the risk that rates might change. So they are at all-time lows, and we encourage you to make that decision and get your rate locked in before they start to rise a little bit again.
There's a lot more risk to the upside in terms of rates going up than there is room for them to improve. So take that into account when you're making your decision.
Have a great week.
Thanks a lot.